Hello everyone. Today I'm going to start very important topic of quantitative aptitude, that is the number system part 5. Part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4 already completed. Those who have not seen the up to part 4 video, please check it. And now we are starting part 5. Let us see. So here the question is what? Divisibility test. Today we will study about divisibility test. Just like here, first point is what? Divisibility by 2. That means how can we check that number is divisible by 2? Any number is given. Suppose a number 2-digit number given, 3-digit number given, 4-digit number given, any number of digit given. Suppose here 5689568987567 how large number given. So any number of digit given, how can we check that number is divisible by 2? So basic concept is what? Divide by 2 and check it is divisible or not. If the remainder is 0, that means it is divisible. If remainder is not 0, that means it is not divisible. But it will take a lot of time. So we need a simple technique to know any number is given, how can we check that number is divisible by 2. So technique is simple. Any number is given, just focus on last digit of a number. That means what? Unit digit. Just focus on unit digit. If unit digit is 0 or any even number, that number will be divisible by 2 always. Just like this number is given 12 and here unit is what? 2. So yes, this number is divisible by 2. Again, second number is what? 86. Unit is what? 6. Yes, even number. So it will be divisible by 2. Again here 3-digit number, just focus on unit. Unit is what? 2. That is even number. So this total number, that is 472, will be divisible by 2. Similarly, 520 unit is what? 0. Just focus on unit. Unit is 0, so that number is divisible by 2. Again, this is 4-digit number, no problem. Just focus on unit and unit is what? 0. So this number is divisible by 2. So simple technique and logic is what? Any digit number given and if just focus on unit. If the unit digit is 0 or any even number, that number will be divisible by 2. Just like you see, this number is how many lot of digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15 digit number. So we are checking this number divisible by 2 or not. So no need to divide this number by 2. Focus on unit digit. Unit digit is what? 8. That is even number. So this number will be divisible by 2. Let us see the next point. Next point is what? How can we check any number is given, that number is divisible by 3. Again, you know any number is given and we are checking if number is divisible by 3 or not. So basic is what? They divide by 3 that number. If the remainder is 0, that means that number is divisible by 3. If remainder is not 0, any other number, that means that number is not divisible by 3. But it will take a lot of time if the large number of digits given. So simple technique is what? No need to divide. Just check that sum of the digits of a number is divisible by 3. What number is given, just add the digit of that number. If the sum of digit of that number is divisible by 3, that means that total number will be divisible by 3. For example, 1233. That means 1233, 4-digit number. We are checking this number is divisible by 3 or not. So no need to divide. Just add this digit 1, 2, 3, 3. 1, 2, 3. It is 9. So you know 9 is divisible by 3. 3, 3 is 9. So that number 1233 is divisible by what? 3. So no need to divide. Any large number given, suppose I am writing here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2. This number is divisible by 3 or not. So no need to divide this number. just add the digit, you will check it. Just like 1 plus 2, 3, plus 3 is 6, plus 4, 10, plus 5, 15, and 6, 21, 21, and 7, 28, 28 and 8, that is 36, 36 and 9, that is 45, 45 and 2, 47. So 47 is not divisible by 3. So this number is not divisible by 3. In this way, any number of digit is given, we can check very easily that number is divisible by 3 or not. Sometimes different type of the question can be asked on the basis of divisibility rule of 3. How can we solve? Let us see. So suppose the question is what? Here 5, here 4, here 6, and this is what? A blank place, and here given suppose 3. Now the question is what list number should be placed at that place so that this number is divisible by 3. What digit, what smallest digit should be placed here so that this number is divisible by 3. So trick is what? Just add the digit. 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 6, 15, 15 plus 3, 18. So sum of digit is 18, but this digit is not known. So suppose the digit is what? Blank, and that number should be divisible by 3. So we are checking list number is given. My question what? What list number? So list number is what? 0 we will put. 18 plus 0 is what? 18 on. So 3 6 the 18. So if we put here 0, so we will get what? Sum will be 18, and this number is divisible by 3 6 are 18. So this number is divisible by 3. So that means when we put our answer is what? 0. What list number should be placed at this star place so that this number is divisible by 3? That means what? Just add the given digit plus blank divided by 3. Now by heat and trial check. By with the help of option you can also check what is the list number. First to try for the list number, just like here 0 I have taken. 18 plus 0 by 3, 18 by 3. Suppose your another example I am taking. Suppose first place is the given star blank, and here 2, 3, 4. What number should be placed at this digit so that this number is divisible by 3? No problem. Same taking any place it is given blank, no problem. 4 plus 3, 7 plus 2, 9. Again we are getting what? Blank and plus 9 and divide. What list number we should place here so that this number is divisible by 3. So 9 already divided by 3. So here we will place only what? 0. That is the list number. That depend upon the option also. Suppose in option 0 is not given, 2 not given, 3. So 3 plus 9, 12 by 3. So 3 is our right answer. If 3 is not given, suppose 6 given. So 6 plus 9 is what? 15. So 6 answer. That depend upon the option. You take list number from the option and check it. Good. Now let us see the next part, that is the divisibility rule by 4. Any number is given and how can we check that number is divisible by 4? Again the same technique. Suppose large number given just like 5, 9, 6, 7, 8, 9, 4, 8, 9, 5, 6. Large number. And we have to check this number is divisible by 4 or not. If a small number given, just like 20, you can check direct. 4 5s are 20. Yes, divisible. But large number is given. If you divide this number like this, 4 5s are 20, it will take a lot of time. The simple technique is what? There, the number made by last two digits of a number is divisible by 4. No need to check any digit of the number. Just focus on last two digits. That is what? 56. If the 56 is divisible by 4, the total number will be divisible by 4. So 56 by 4, 4 1 ja 4, 4 4 ja 16. Yes, divisible. So this number is divisible by 4. Right? Just like here, 6 4 2. So here last two digits is what? 28. So 4 7 are 28. Yes, this number is divisible by 4. You can check it by cross. by basic method also. See, just like we are dividing this number by 4. So 4 1 ja 4. 2 remainder 24. 4 6 are 24. Again 2, so we have to put here 0. Now 28. 4 7 ja 28. Right? So we got this number. We know any remainder, that means this number is divisible by. Next condition is what? Apart from this, the number having two or more zeros. That means any number with last two digits is what? Zero. That means that number is also divisible by. Just like here, 4300, not focus any other last two digit you focus. This number is divisible by 4. So you know 00 divided by 4 already. So this number is so this number is what? This number is what? Divisible by 4. In the same way, you can see the number 4300. Here 2 digits, so this number is divided by 4. Here 153300. So last two digit is 0. This number is divided by 4. Here also last two digit is 0. So number is divided by 4. So what we get the conclusion, any digit number is given and we want to check that number is divisible by 4 or not. Just focus on the number made by last two digits. So here last digit is 5 and 6. So number is what? 56. If 56 is divided by 4, that total number will be different. Yes, 56 is divided by 4. So this number is divided by 4. Similarly, 6412. So we want to check this number is divisible by 4 or not. So just focus on last two digits, that is 28. 4 7 are 28. Yes, divisible. So 6428 is divided by 4. Second condition is what? If the last two digits is 0 and 0, that means last both digits is 0 0, that number is also divided by 4. Just like here last two digits 0, here last two digits 0, here last two digits 0, that number is divisible by 4. Let us see the next question. So here the next question is what? That means we want to check divisibility by 5. Any number is given and that number is divided by 5 or not. Just like this number is given, suppose given 10. So 10 by 5 you already know 2. Yes, divisible. But line number given 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 8, 9, 2, 5, 0 or 8765892567852. This number is given. You want to check this number is divisible by 5. So no need to divide. Just technique and logic is what? Just focus on the unit digit. If the unit digit is 0 or 5, that means that number is divisible by 4. If the unit digit is not 0, not 5, any other digit is given, that number is not divisible by 5. So here you see, here 0 given, yes, this number is divisible by 5. No need to divide. Direct answer, this number is divided by 5. Similarly, here large number is given. No need to divide any number. Just focus on large digit. Large digit is 2. My technique is what? Large digit, yani unit digit should be 0 or 5. 0, 5 not here 2. So this number is not divisible by